and fun day. Oh boy, we are seeing some positive reaction out of the market here so far after CPI year over year came in at 4% versus the expectation of 4.1%. Now, core CPI was actually a little bit higher from what I've seen. I got to confirm the data. Let me go back and look. From what I saw, it looked like core was a little bit higher. Let me look. Let me see. Let me pull this up right here. I want core. Core. Where is core? Let's see. Where is core? Where are you? Shouldn't it be over here? Let me see if it popped up over here. No. Anybody have the core number? I thought it was 5.3 or 5.4. Because it was 5.3 was the median forecast. Did it come in at 5.4 for core? All right, but team, again, as you guys are filtering in right now, make sure you guys slap the literal living shit out of the like button. This is going to be a very, very big day, and there's going to be a lot of people out there that are going to get led to the slaughter. Not you guys, though. Those of you guys that have been on this stream. I mean, you guys know the deal. What have we been saying since, like, 2 Fed meetings ago? Most of all of the data that's going to be coming out from now on, even if it's neutral, it's going to lean net bullish. We've gone through the bulk of this hiking cycle that we're going through. Tomorrow, I don't think we're getting a rate hike. I think they're going to look at more data and see where we are in July. And then after that, I mean, we're just going to kind of leave it there as inflation comes down. And then maybe in the first or second quarter of 2024, we start decreasing rates. We start those rate cuts, and that's going to be very interesting. So, I mean, we're seeing the market at a very interesting spot here. 436.30 in the pre-market right now. You are well above the 431.73 level from August 2022 on the daily. That is a very big level to be above. You think it was 5.4? Yeah, that's what I thought. It was 0.1 over on core. That's what I thought. So core was a little bit higher. Yearly high? Yeah, we did hit a yearly high. Team, oh, you guys are filtering in here now. Keep smacking that like on the way. We are 12 away from 50. Do not be a slacker and make me go on a rant. AMD, I love you. Oh, my Lord. Look at you. Look at you over here at 133 in the pre-market, you monster. I still have these JD calls cooking around. Those expire this week. I've already scaled out of them, so that's a lot smaller of a position, but this move up here, 3%, could be really nice this morning. So let's see what happens there. All items less food and energy index was 5.3% over the last 12 months. Yeah. So energy, the decrease in energy is helping these numbers come down, which energy is a big portion of CPI, so that's not that big of an issue. But let's see here. Yearly high, yeah, we are cracking that, man. This is going to be a really, really interesting day. So, again, same deal as usual. Probably going to wait the first basically 20, 30 minutes of the market to see which direction this thing wants to pick. We are most likely going to see a lot of pretty aggressive volatility in the morning. So, we'll see where we want to go after that. And then make our money and then fuck off because we have PPI data, the producer price index, and Powell tomorrow. So, that's going to be incredibly interesting. Incredibly interesting. Good morning, sir. Let's have another amazing day. Nature's Barista. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. You too. 5.3 was the number for core. Thank you. You had SPY 332 calls for today and sold yesterday for 10%. Yeah, but Moto, like, then you'd just be YOLOing through CPI, and that's not a smart thing to do. Again, I can sit here and say that I was expecting the market to come up off of CPI and that we were going to receive relatively good data, and going off of every single statement that I've made over the last 3 months with you guys that says any data that comes out net neutral or even bullish is going to have a positive reaction in the market, a bullish reaction. But I will not sit here and say that it would have been a smart idea to put risk on based on that assumption, meaning buying calls into this event. If you did and you make money, you're just lucky. And you have to come to terms with that and say, okay, well, I got lucky on this CPI thing. Don't think that this is going to be a consistent trading strategy, and do something good with that money that you guys are potentially going to make this morning on whatever stocks that you are trading. Let's see. Good morning, team. What up, Zachary? How you doing? Also, guys, for those of you guys that do not know, everybody gets their free first month to trade1348.com with all of the proprietary AI algorithms, all of the alerts, all of the real-time unusual options activity, all of the learning curriculum videos, and much, much more. Again, you have a one-stop shop for retail investors to come and learn to trade. Use code GAINS, G-A-I-N-Z. I threw the link in the live chat for you guys right there so that you guys have it and you can come in, make some money. Finally, I mean, what are you guys scared of? You guys see all the thousands upon thousands of people that are printing money with our system and platform every single day. It's time. It is time. All right, let's see what we got here today. Yeah, and this is pretty much your last chance to hop in and upgrade to Masterclass as well before the end of the month when the prices significantly go up. So make sure that you guys are doing that. Go to your subscriptions area on platform or reach out to Diana, and she will help you upgrade. Just send her a message. Just do like at Diana in Market Talk and say like, help me get Master, and she will help you out. All right, man. Where's Tessie? Tessie was above 350 last time, or 250 last time I saw it. Yeah, 253 right here. That's pretty aggressive, dude. Jesus. I mean, what were we saying? If Powell comes out like dovish tomorrow and the market reacts positively, what did I say? We could end up easily at 440. We're at $4 away. You could end up at 440 today. This is really, really aggressive. Your long terms, guys, must be having so much fun because I know mine is. I know my long term. Oh, hold on. AMD debuts Ryzen Pro 7040 and 7000 series processors. Ooh, Amanda. Oh my God, AMD. Dude, I'm like so overweight AMD right now, but it's not because I allocated that much capital. It's just gone up so much. My average is 1139. At this point in my life, I'm like one AMD like decision away from retirement. Like, that's literally what it is. If I decided to deploy enough capital into another stock that over the next 5 years was going to do what AMD did, I would be retired. Like, that's just, it is what it is. And AMD still has potential, so, I mean, we'll see. I was thinking about that yesterday. I was like, I'm really like 1 or 2 AMDs away from retirement here. I wouldn't, but I'm just saying, like, all right. Oh, you guys are ripping the like button. I love it. Let's have a great day today, huh? Micron 4-hour chart. 1139. Jesus, man. Dude, I know. That was the best. That was probably one of the best financial decisions I've ever made in my entire life. And it was, so it wasn't a small amount of money that I put in there. Because remember, I had been working since I was 14, and I didn't really have to spend money on much. Micron 4-hour chart. I mean, I know what it looks like. It looks good because it sold off a little bit more. It like retested. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. Micron's a lagger, man. It's not doing what all of the other chips are doing. AMD and Nvidia are solid. If anything, I would start looking towards things like Palantir, like other stocks, you know? Micron could still do great. Like, don't get me wrong, but I don't know. I don't think it's going to get the same juice as AMD, Nvidia, and Palantir are. I think if the hype comes back into Palantir, that thing could, like, really get going. So, I'm going to be watching out for that. I was looking for leaps on it yesterday. It kind of was shitty, so I'll see if I can get a good deal on the chain there. SoFi's insane. SoFi up. Wow. Look, was this earnings? I mean, this thing was up 11% yesterday, 4% today. I mean, that probably means I want to stay away from it. But also, JD up here looking good. But yeah, man, if I deployed like a significant amount of capital into another AMD like position, retired. Oh, I have a really, really funny story for you guys that I wasn't able to tell you. Oh, here we go. Guys, smack that like on the way in. We are 30 away from 100. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you guys filtered in here every single day. So I had to go to the bank yesterday and transfer money because I got to pay taxes this week, which sucks. I hate it. I don't like it. It's the worst time of the year. The beginning of every quarter sucks. I hate it. But they were like, oh, you could be like a preferred client or whatever. And I was there. They were like, has anybody ever talked to you about that? I was like, nah, don't. I mean, what is it? They're like, oh, you get this, all this. I'm like, I might as well if it's free. So they send me into like this dude in a suit comes out, and he's like, hello, how are you? But like I'm in shorts and a t-shirt. And I just look like me, a child. So I walk in there, and the dude is like explaining to me all these things. And he didn't realize that it was like me. Like that, like, cause I'm pretty rare. I'm a pretty rare client probably that they have. So he starts going over like the high yield savings accounts with me. And he's like, oh, like these rates are abnormally high right now. You might be wondering why. Do you understand like why rates in general are super high? The Fed has come out and started raising rates because of and I literally sat there and played dumb. And I was like, I don't have it in me right now to be the guy. I'm just gonna wait for him. I don't have no, I do have business accounts, but I don't. This was not a business account. So he was like explaining me rates and stuff, and I was like, and he hadn't looked at like my profile or anything yet. So I was just sitting there playing dumb. I was like, yeah, oh, that's cool. Oh, all right. And I was just listening to see what kind of advice these guys were throwing around. And in the back of my mind, I'm like, dude, I teach you guys this shit every single day. I was like, I got it, bro. It took me every ounce of my being to not be like, well, actually, I'll tell you exactly what they're about to do. No, he was a nice guy, though. They were trying to poach my big long term and have me move it, and I was like, I'm not doing that. Sorry. That's going to stay right where it is. Hidden away. I have business accounts, though. Guys, I got lots of shit going on. You guys don't realize. I have lots of shit going on. But yeah, guys, let's have a great day. Remember, last chance to get into Masterclass before the significant price increase is the end of the month. Don't wait. We've got a lot of really interesting things coming for you guys that you do not want to miss. Nancy coming back to the upside here. AMD an absolute tank. Tessie at 254. JD's kind of screwing around. SoFi's been good to me the last 2 weeks. There you go. What's KRE doing? Wreck-It Ralph. Ralph, if you're in here, buddy. If you're in here, I'm gonna probably call my banking sector expert and talk to him a little bit about regionals. So, I mean, maybe I can make a video with that about it with you guys too. I don't hate regional banks right now. Here's why. Here's the overall thesis. They all have these bonds, and they have to keep holding these bonds. And they have to keep buying these bonds as more deposits start coming in, if their deposits start going up. Well, when the Fed eventually decreases rates next year, the values of these bonds are going to come back up. So then they're going to be a little bit more safe. There could be a lot more, public, basically, like sentiment going back into these regional banks. I don't hate it. If you look at this is the regional banking ETF. If you look at it on the daily, it looks really good. But yeah, I mean, again, I'll probably just call the banking expert guy and just talk to him about it. Tell us what's going to happen with rates. Odds are they're not raising tomorrow. They're gonna say we're not raising. We're gonna keep continuing to look at the data as it comes in, and then revisit a potential rate hike at the July meeting. If there's a July meeting, I'd have to look. Sometimes there's not a meeting. I forget which months there isn't a meeting. You should have just started talking to him in the Janet Yellen voice. That would have been hilarious, dude. Yeah. Also, never got to take any futures trades yesterday. The market didn't give me anything, so I was like, all right, well, it's fine. Yeah, I'll talk to that banking expert guy. Didn't the U.S. start talking about an evacuation plan for Americans in Taiwan? I have not seen any of that. That's interesting, though. You hate watching huge moves in the pre-market? Why? Why? It's not for you. You can't trade it. It's not for you. I mean, if you had futures accounts, you could trade them. But I don't like trading pre-market. And if it's CPI anyway, I wouldn't be trading like futures during it. It wouldn't make any sense. Too much volatility. They're going to increase margin requirements on you. Why? Just wait for the nice clean move during market hours. Simple as that. Oh boy, you guys are crushing it on the like button here. You guys are still slacking though. There is about 100 of you guys that haven't hit it. I don't appreciate that, but you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. But yeah, that was my funny story yesterday about the bank and like them making me like a preferred, you know, I'm not even use like I don't even like unless I buy a house, it's not useful for me. They're like, oh, did you know? Do you? What about this foreign currency rate or exchange? I'm like, I'm not going out of the country and I'm not traveling. I work here and I can't leave. That's why you want it all. Well, you got to relax a little bit and taper your expectations. You're not here in the market to catch every single move and every bit of every move. You're here to catch that low-hanging fruit and catch a part of the move. Siphon your money out of the market and leave. That's what the market's for. So we'll see what we get here. What else do we have today? That's it. Tomorrow we got PPI and then Fed and then Powell. Where's JD? How's this? So China stocks were really up this morning. Baba was up. Baba up 2.5% here. Baidu was up a lot. I've been looking at Baidu. Baidu's up 5%. This was one that I was hunting. I didn't quite get it. You can see these 4-hour traffic lights back in here. Daily traffic light coming in right in here. I was looking at this one. I just like JD a little bit better, just because this one was still, I believe. I mean, the retest of the 200 would have been good here at what 130.47. So nice little $10 move on Baidu. I mean, I've been hunting the China stocks. You guys know how I like to trade Baba and how lights out we've been in this range when it comes back down into it. So I don't know. I went with JD this time. It's been good. Been good so far. What's up, money mate? Neo too. Yeah, Neo had earnings though, so I wasn't really gonna swing anything one directionally on that one. Yeah, I mean, again, those of you guys that are here right now, you guys get your free month at trade1348.com. Don't miss out. That free month offer is not going to be around forever. That link's at the top of the live chat. Use code GAINS, G-A-I-N-Z. I'll throw it in here for you guys too. Let's have a day, man. Let's have a fucking day. Gabe called me this morning. He was like, dude, I'm going to go make 20% today. And I'm like, yeah, I fucking believe you. I know. I feel like you're about to do that. And you guys in Masterclass are all going to watch him do it today. It's going to be epic. Yeah, you guys get to, like, you guys all have the ability to go watch somebody trade live every single day who's able to make like $250,000 in a day. That's a gift. If I was in Gabe's position, there is zero chance that I would just sail off into the sunset and be, I would not do this for you guys. You guys really have one of the best resources in Gabe. Make sure you're taking advantage of it. You should have told the banker you're heavily invested in Pokemon cards and any advice would be appreciated. I should have told him I was an oil baron. Feels like a day to have a day. It does. It does, buddy. I never got, like, I understand the card hype where it's like, I would just never do it, though, because I would fuck the card up, I think. 75 slackers on CPI day? Come on, bro. You guys are ripping it. I love this. Let's go, man. You're so grateful you found this? That is awesome, gamer. That is awesome, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's have a day. Yeah, and all you Masterclass members that have been in there, let the people in the live chat know what you've thought of Masterclass so far. Tomorrow, we are going to be bringing one of you guys on my midweek Masterclass for a interactive one-on-one, going over not only your trading plan, but every single trade that you've taken in your trade log so far. We're going to go over your journal and fine-tune everything with you guys. Get ready for that. That is going to be awesome. Let's see. You'd be fucking off on your own private island? Yeah, bro. I mean, I would too. Because, like, you guys sometimes don't see, like, the nonsense behind the scenes. Like, I would just be like, no, well, no. Let the banker know about the untapped market for ankle models. Yeah, Apple, why doesn't want to play along this morning? Something happened to it in the after hours yesterday. It just got hammered. I mean, it did come back up, but it's still down 0.5%. Apple actually has a lot of opportunity here today that we could actually take advantage of. If the market wants to continue higher and Apple starts to unfuck itself, that could get interesting. Master signals are fire. There you go. You started your first day yesterday and hit 2%. There you go, gamer. Yeah, CPI's out, trip revoked. Normal CPI was 4% versus 4.1, and I believe core was either 5.3 or 5.4, but right around expectations. Yeah, let the Masterclass members, let the people know how much success you've been having, what you like about Master. And again, those of you guys, you have until the end of the month to upgrade before those prices significantly increase. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. You're going to miss it. You're going to miss it. All right, let's see. Yeah, CPI's out, though. All right, man. Well, what's the rate hike probability now? Is it 80? Wow, 93.1. Holy shit. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Master's the place to be with the new teachings and lessons being taught. Your trading will absolutely change for the better. Tor, appreciate you, buddy. Papa Bowell is going to be on Mount Rushmore if we navigate a soft landing. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna, but I don't know, man. I think they can. I think at this point, they might be able to artificially manufacture a quote-unquote soft landing. Is that 91% for a pause? Yeah, no rate hike. That's the probability of no rate hike tomorrow. But yeah, guys, make sure that you guys are following me as well on Instagram and TikTok. We have a boatload of short form content coming out every single day, helping you guys become more successful in the market, little tips and tricks. It's Short the VIX 1 on both TikTok and Instagram, so make sure that you guys are following me over there. We're growing pretty fast. It's super fun. I love making those videos for you guys. And I think you guys have really, really enjoyed them. So make sure that you guys are following me over there. Engage with those videos when you see them so we can help more people, man. That's what we're doing over here. Higher rates, cash is king. I mean, if you thought, not necessarily. Master is well worth every dollar. Thank you, Raphael. We appreciate you, buddy. Yeah, man. I mean, Masterclass has been printing. They have been doing so well. It's unbelievable. Nine minutes until the ding ding. Yeah, KRE just fucking around. Where's TLT? Up. Oh, no. TLT coming back down. So they're selling bonds. Huh. Okay. Okay. Been stacking with Master since early April. Thanks to you and Gabe. John Cashola. Shout out to you, buddy. You bet me a nickel they raise rates. I don't think they're going to. I just don't. I don't see the reasoning behind why they would at this point. You're at what everybody expects terminal to be. It would be a big surprise if they went any higher than this for right now, especially with the data that we've seen and initial claims and everything. You have to look at everything from a holistic perspective. Just upgraded to Master and it's fire. Shout out to you, Logan. There you guys go. Man, you guys are crushing it. Get it while it's hot. I mean, again, you guys are gonna, those of you guys that miss it, gonna miss it, man. It's all right though. Tesla's at like 254, isn't it? 250, yeah, 253.90. This thing is ripping this morning. Granddad's Cash, what up, buddy? How you doing? Oh, guys, I started going back on my diet because DoorDash decided to keep giving me like significant discounts for no reason, and you guys liked that tweet yesterday? Dude, that tweet was so funny. The 6 eggs tweet was so, I thought that was so funny. I'm a billionaire, 24 years old. I'm gonna start tweeting more shit like that, dude. It's so funny. Good day, people. What time CPI data coming out? It already came out, 8:30. Guys, again, this is why, again, make sure that you guys are following me on TikTok, Instagram. We went over this yesterday on those platforms when these pieces of data were coming out so that you guys are prepared. Like, I'm not going to make a long-form video on YouTube that just says, this is the time of CPI and PPI and Powell. Like, make sure you guys are following me over there. We got a lot of, like, breaking information that comes out. And that is the bare minimum of things that you need to know in the market, what time things are coming out. You have your economic data calendars, you have the resources, the content. Again, make sure you're paying attention. You still have your concerns about the 210 inversion? Yeah. If only you still had those July Tesla calls? Yeah. Let me just jump out my window real quick. CF Limited. Yeah. I fucked that up really bad. So I had a bunch of the Tesla 185 calls for either June or July. The text message that I sent to my dad was for July because I think I was like, hey, you probably want a little bit more time because he was going to be late on it. Even though he wasn't, because the next day it ended up lower. So dude, I remember this entire sequence. It knifed at open the next day, and I was out. I was up, and I was like, all right, I don't want this anymore because I was afraid of the 144 gap. Same thing with Nvidia. So I gotta not do that again, because I would have made like a couple $100,000 on that thing, which sucks. But you know, it is what it is, man. You can't hit all of them. Nancy, little slippage here. So you could always use an extra couple $100 grand, man. Like, you know, like it's never a bad thing to have. Let's see. Yeah, oh, we did just cross 500 followers on TikTok too. Shout out to you guys. That was epic. That was epic. Let's do it. Let's have a day, man. 5 minutes till the ding ding. Here we go. Oh my God, we're almost at 150 likes before open. Damn, you guys are loving it today. I love it, dude. How many contracts do you buy for play? It depends. Sometimes I have 100. Sometimes I have 10. Sometimes I decide I'm only going to get 5. It really depends on what it is. It depends on the stock. The better question is how, like, what percentage of my account is going in. It's never over 10. Never over 10. Well, depends. We went over this in Masterclass with you guys about risk to reward, where you technically, I'm not going to say it now, but like where the risk profile comes in, where you're like, well, if you're only risking 1% anyway, you technically can take on more risk if the chart is telling you that you can. Not more risk, but like more size, if that makes sense. So we'll go over that again with you guys. It depends, man. On ES, I'm trading, but on ES, I'll trade between 1 and 5. That's usually what I do. Just because that account is still small, because of the identity fraud bullshit. So I'm treating it as almost like a little challenge account and being very picky with the trades that I take. I have a very specific setup that I look for every single day, and if it doesn't present itself, then I don't take the trade. But yeah, I'm back on my fucking cart of 12 eggs a day and a pound of ground chicken every single day again. And I'm hungry all the time. All the time. You're taught that normal trade shouldn't normally be over 10% of the port? Yeah, no, it shouldn't be. All right, team, we got 3 minutes until the ding ding here. Let's see. Headed to Masterclass. Have a great day. There you go. There you go. Again, guys, time is running out for you guys to upgrade to Master before that significant price increase. Get in while it's hot or you're going to miss it. Do you only trade SPY or SPX options? If I'm... I'd say at this point, equally both. Equally both. I like SPX, though. It depends. It really depends on the day and how I'm feeling. And what the chart is looking like. Like this week, I'm not going to touch SPY or SPX at all, really. I just won't because the IV and the premium is going to be crazy, so I'll just trade futures. A point to point, a tick to tick. You're not going to have IV, any of the Greeks, anything. Nothing. It's going to move how it's going to move, and you're going to make the same amount of money. So you can still take advantage of that volatility. So I'm working on that futures video for you guys. I'll probably be recording that tonight. And tomorrow will be out either tomorrow or Thursday for y'all. That'll be fun. But yeah, a lot of the content's coming out on TikTok and Instagram. So make sure that you guys are following me over there. Yeah, SPY moving a little lower here. 2 minutes to go until the ding ding. JD, hello. All right. Your kid eats nothing but meat, eggs, and berries, and he's jacked? Good. Good. It's how it should be. Let's see here, folks. All right, SPY. I don't hate that move down in the pre-market here because you can, I mean, then that gives us a little bit more opportunity to potentially take things higher, which I don't hate. Like, sell it off for the first 30 minutes, chop it around, and then bounce it. That would be sweet, man. So you're coming down to that 3-minute 48 here. Tessie slipping, AMD slipping, Nancy coming back up. All right, you got 5 seconds to go until the ding ding. Here we go, team. We're 3 likes away from 150. Make sure you guys hit that on the way in. And ding, ding, ding. Market open. Let's do it. My JDs are up 23%. That's pretty nice. Let's see what we got here. Ha 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 ha. Nancy. I'd love to see a move down to the 3-minute 200 and then bounce, but I don't know if we're gonna get there. That's a big ass move to 396. Tessie shooting. Let's see here. All right. See where these things want to go. Check Twitter quick. See if there's anything going on. No, I don't think so. What the fuck is this? All right. Let's see. Spy at that 3-minute 48 here. AMD slipping. Nancy doing its thing. Where's KRE? Ooh, shark. Ooh, shark. Where's Palantir? Okay. Benjamin, what up, buddy? Disney call printed. There you go. Wow, look at that. There you go on Disney, man. Look at this 5-minute traffic light. Boom, you're getting this at 92. You're at 94. Damn, bro. Look at that, man. You guys not trading with the traffic lights here? I don't know what you're doing, man. I don't know what you're doing. Struggling, probably, honestly, at this point. JD. JD, pushing it to the limit. What are these up now? 34%. Pretty good. I'll scale. I'll scale at that. Order filled. Sweet. 35%. Wow, they gave me a beautiful fill there. Thank you. That was nice. Apple's trying. Oh, yeah. Apple. Yeah, Apple. Yeah. Fuck, we missed that. Fuck, we called that one too. Shit. That's okay. Can't hit them all. SV started the day up 3% from Palantir overnight call. Let's go. Attaboy, bro. Attaboy. Wow. Whoa. My JDs are up over 50% now. So scaled at 35. Those things ripped. Where's Baba? Hanging on here. Nancy really ripping there, dude. Tested the 3-minute 48 and boom. There you go. AMD not getting it. Where's Tessie? Tessie going a little. Spy trying to move. How does ES look? Okay. Let's see here. All right, guys. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Let's see if we can hunt something. Again, I really want to wait for the first 30 minutes of the market to see where these things want to go and then trade after. I don't need to, like, at this point, I'm already up on the day nicely, so. No reason to do anything silly. Jesus, JD, you monster, bro. 63% on these. 65. Wow, this thing is going. 68. Oh my god. Oh my god. So here comes the spy. Tessie going. AMD kind of got its head in its ass over here. Nvidia, monster, dude. Monster, Nvidia. Where's JD right now, bro? 38.23. Damn. I had the 37.50s for this week. So those are printing. That's pretty nice. Now they're basically free. So you can play around with that. Up about 1.5% on the day. 1.7. 8% on the port. Fuck yeah, Leo. That is awesome, man. Congratulations. Nancy running. Yeah, I mean, you can't really touch NVIDIA up here, but, you know. SPY moving. Okay. You got this 1 minute traffic light right now on the SPY. Just the issue is, here's the issue. The premium's going to be jacked, so it makes more sense to trade futures off of this. Caught the SPY move up. Good shit, Ben. Atta boy. Yeah, remember, everybody gets their first month completely for free to trade1348.com, so you can come and learn how to do all of this with us, guys. Use code GAINZ, GAINZ, and you guys are all good to go. JD, you're up 10% on them. Nice. I mean, I'm probably up over 70 now. 73% on my JDs. Sweet. Sweet. 75. Data already come out? Yeah, guys. 8:30, guys. What? Come on. What? Make sure you're following me on TikTok and Instagram. We went over this yesterday. 5% on the port. Thanks for scamming me again. Rycack. There you go, buddy. Holy JD. Good shit, Ryan. 5% on the port. Ooh, yeah, that's the one right there. Yeah, that's the retest. That's too much. Okay. How are the premiums on this? All right, hold on. I just wow, I just scalped SPX there for like 15%. I didn't get, okay, so it wasn't a full fill. They gave me a gift of a fill there, so I wasn't able to get the full position, so I just scalped it quick for like 15%. Those are 0 days for fun. So I'm up to, what, 2.7% on the port right now. That's pretty nice. 2.68, that's pretty good. That was too quick. I just nailed it there. Yeah, I was going to trade futures on that, but the risk wasn't too good. But on SPX, it was a little bit better. Out of JD, bag secured. It's overbought now. Yeah, I've already scaled out of it. I'm up 88% on them. It's basically free at this point. They gave me a gift of a fill on what do you call it? On SPX here, because I bought it basically here. I wanted it lower, and then it was just ripping. I don't know how they gave me that fill. That was a gift. Yeah. Now I'm up like 3.4% on the day now with some swings cooking. Wow, JD. JD. Oh my lord. Look at this monster here. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah. Yeah, good little SPX scalp there. That was fun. It was just so quick. I was like, I mean, I'll just take the money, man. I'll just take the money. 1 minute traffic light retest, boom, easy. ES would have been really nice though on that, because there was a level I wanted to go off of 4406 with a 4-point stop. That's kind of where I wanted it, with a 5-point take profit, and I was like, yeah, that could get interesting. So it would have ran through, but it's all right. Drilled it on SPX. Gonna wait for 10 on ES, but we are pushing day highs right now on ES. Even from the pre-market, like pre-market highs. So you have intraday highs that you've made, but you're looking to push those pre-market highs. ATVI, yeah, I'm shocked that they didn't get the go woke, go broke treatment that a lot of those other companies did. Yeah, that's probably ES breaking. Yep, ES breaking there. What am I up on the day now? Like 3.2. That's good. Is my VIX 1-day chart working? Nope. Pre-market no trades not working. JD, KRE. Do I play IWM? No. No, I don't. SPY. Holy shit. Dang. Yeah, so this would have been a nice... That probably would have been a 60 to 100%er if I held those SPXs. I just didn't get filled on the whole position, so I just ditched the contracts that I had at like 15%. Wasn't worth taking on that risk. Where's regional banks? KRE. KRE coming back up, which makes sense. Microsoft shooting. Okay. But is it reasonable? Yeah, it kind of looks like how a lot of these were. NVIDIA, AMD. AMD sharking here. Jesus, what the hell's wrong with you today, AMD? Tessie kind of flatlined here. Interesting. Port's up 2.6. There you go. Hold on. Hold on. Let's see. AMD just showed off new processors, guessing the market was not impressed. I think they did that pre-market. Let's see. The 3-minute wick. Oh shit, yeah, you're right. Alright, let's see what we get here. Up 14.2% on the port for the day. There you go. There you go. Yeah, these JDs are great, dude. They're up 100-something% right now. 101 the last time I checked. Yeah, that wick is not what you really want to see there. No data at 10, so let's see what we get. Also, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. Helps get these streams out to some more people there. And remember, end of the month is your last chance to hop into Masterclass at this low price before there is a significant price increase. So, again, you guys want to get in there before then, make sure you guys reach out to Diana or go on platform, click your subscriptions area, and click Get Master, and you guys are all good to go in there with us. Nancy slipping. Nancy, remember when we were talking about that 3-minute 200? Yeah, winning loser's a monster, bro. I mean, we just create monsters, man. What do you guys expect at this point? Could you relay the data? Yeah, CPI came out at 4%. Where's the 5-minute 200? 395.29 versus 396 what? That's 397. It's $2 of risk. You're setting up a nice little range here. Why the fancy YouTube suit? Because I can. Main account up 8%. There you go. It's because I'm a hedgy. No, I just like the suit, bro. The suit's epic. You're gonna shoot your first YouTube video this weekend? Can I ask what editing software you use? Dude, I use like iMovie. You should ask Gabe about editing software. Yeah, ask Gabe about editing software. 1.2% of the day looking for perfect setups if I touch anything else. Apple V-shaped fall. Apple got hit here. Yep. Dude, Apple just fucking hates its life. Where's NVIDIA? Getting there. Nancy's getting there. SPY coming down. Same Pepe, it's all about quality. Yeah, guys, those of you guys that have been in Masterclass, you know exactly what you're looking for. There you go. Just keep it simple. Let's see. I almost... I'm up 3.7 now. Beep. Port number 2 is done. Moving on to port number 1. There you go, AR guy. Yeah, that was the move there. Where's this monster? Oh, there we go. Parting from the strategy, but the SQQQ 4-hour RSI looks interesting to me. Been taking swipes, expecting some sort of pop. You think SQQQ is gonna pop? I don't know, man. It could. I mean, I don't want to sit here and say that like since we're running that it can't come back in the other direction. But you're going into CPI, PPI, and Powell. Like it doesn't make sense to be swinging things like that. Unless it's a hedge. Like, does that make sense? Unless it's a clear hedge, it doesn't make sense. Was that a 1-minute 200 bounce? No. I'm just looking for stuff now. I mean, now it's 950. Now we're setting the range. Little consolidation zone in here. which is fine. I mean, we'll see what it wants to do. You've got this level down in here. Where is this? Yeah, right there. Low 440525. Then you got the highs. Wow, that's big. 4421. Took 42% on a SPY put. 0-day play money. Thank you, stop loss. Thanks, Vix. There you go, Jack's dad. Fuck yeah, guys. There you go. There you go, team. GME's up 7%. Good for them. Good for them. Do I use the travel lights on the 15-minute? Hell no. You're late. You're late. The only thing I use the 15-minute for is levels and overall trend. That's it. You're down 5%. Wayne, that's on you, bud. Don't know what the fuck you decided to do this time, but you fucked something up. $7% equals $1. Moass. Why is 4% CPI good? Because it was the estimate was 4.1 and it's continuously moving down. That's why. Netflix shares hit over 16-month high after analysts raised price targets, last up 2.2%. You played TQQQ? Well, you did it fucking completely wrong if your account is down 5%, dude. I don't know what you're doing. You're not following any... You're literally saying, oh, this is the things that you're teaching. Let me do the opposite. If they raise rates, still all this bull wiping to bear. Yeah, but why would they raise rates? That's the thing. Why would they? It doesn't make sense for them to raise rates right now. It makes sense for them to pause and then wait until the next meetings and see more data. That's what they're going to do. Or that's what my expectation of what they're going to do is. I don't see a case for why they would do another 25 basis point rate hike right now. UPST is so strong, leaps are paying big. Nice. KRE looks good here, man. SPX just chopping around. You got 6 minutes until 10. I'd love to see them bring it down to this 1 minute 200. I'd love that. Just tank and then rip it right back up. Yeah, this is far, bro. I don't know if they're gonna give me anything on ES here. It's just been chopping. Chop, 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 chop. They hate pausing and going again? I don't think they do. That's what they've said they're going to do. They've said that they're going to pause and potentially revisit. Cody, there is no more data. Is rent and housing came in way hot, too expensive? Yeah, but the other thing, too, is that if you look at the jobs numbers, those are There's way more people filing for unemployment benefits than previously thought. So the rate hikes and all this thing, it's working. All right, SPY. You're going to fuck around like this? Let's see. Oh, PPI tomorrow, yeah. Look at history. No, you can't look at history right now. This is an unprecedented historic event. We've never raised rates like this. And I don't think there's no real case for them to do it. Especially with what the market's pricing in as well, a 93% probability of no rate hike. If they do raise rates, the market is going to explode down hard. So it could happen. I don't think it will, but we'll see. I mean, okay. Let's see here. All right, it's sharking around a little bit right now. This is getting interesting. Here we go. Yeah, this is a unique time of correction. Agreed. I don't think they're gonna do it. All right, here comes a little slippage now. Are they gonna? I mean, I would love them if they gave me this. If this just played out exactly how I wanted them to do this, I would be thrilled. Just thrilled. Where's Apple? Okay. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way. We're about to get towards 10. We'll see what we're going to get here. I'd love to see a knife and then a bounce. Like knife right through these couple of levels here and then bounce right back up. Yeah, here we come. Here we go. Oh, come on. Do it. Do it. Yeah, there it is. There it is. There's the break. There's the break I was looking for. All right, let's see what we get now. Yeah, 1 minute 200. Let's see what we get here. Yeah, come on. Let's see. All right, 10 o'clock. Here we go. Let's see. AMD. Sharkin. Watch for thigh gap on AMD here. Oh, it's thigh gapping right now. On the 3. Let's see. Closing out my PC to get ready for work. See y'all in an hour in the Discord. There you go. Invictus firing off. Dude, Invictus is a monster. Invictus has been crushing it for you guys. Again, we have the best tools in the game. Everything you guys have ever wanted out of the market's been right in front of you the entire time. Some of you guys have just been too kind of lazy to take advantage of it. But that's okay. You guys still get your first month completely free. Let's see here. Invictus was 86% yesterday. Yeah, Invictus was 80% successful yesterday, which is ridiculous. Oh. Oh. Let's see what we get here. Let's see. Spy back down. Tessie moving. AMD getting sharked. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Where is ES? ES isn't giving me much here. I mean, it sort of did just now, but the risk there is fucking ridiculous. Like, absolutely ridiculous here. Huh, okay. It's not giving me anything. Patience, patience, patience. The other reason why I think they can hike again is now we're not at 2. No, 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 no. That's not how it works. That is not how it works. You don't get to 2 and stop. These rate hikes take a long time to actually have an effect on inflation. The rate hikes from like 6 months ago are still having an effect. We stop raising rates right now. We keep rates at 5. It's still going to have an effect on bringing inflation down. It's not like, oh, it's a one and done thing. That's not how it works. ES getting spicy. Okay, I don't hate it. No, they just cucked it there. What are they doing, bro? What are they doing? AMD's getting killed. What are they doing? That was so stupid. That was so stupid. Come on, really? It's possible they still hike? It's possible, but it's very unlikely. Here it comes down again. Did it break? No, it's closed. Yeah, but hold on. What's this? No, you still would have had it there, sorta. Just the risk on these is insane. When CPI data comes out, the moves are just larger. Like this range is big. 396.19. Look it down to here. 395.50. The ranges are bigger, so the risk becomes more. Apple, Tassie barcoding, that's nothing. AMD's getting touched by something that it shouldn't be getting touched by. Let's see. Ben, I don't know. I think it's like 20%. 20%, Ben. And stop spamming in my live chat. You're being annoying. It's probably around 20% this month so far. I'd have to look, though, because I have a lot of different accounts. Let's see. It's around 20. It's 15 or 20. The futures account is probably up like 50%. Because that thing just goes. Let's see. There. Here's that 1 minute 200 here. Broke another low. Let's see. Bro, it's June 13th. What? I'm up like 3 point something percent today. I can't even show you percentages on the futures account because there are none. Let's see. That's interesting. Yeah, it's between 15 and 20%. Let's see. I'd like it to be more. I'd like to hit 100%. That would be sexy. Still enough time for that to happen. Let's see. I'm just hunting ES, dude. Like, I didn't take any futures trades yesterday. I'm looking for a good setup, but if it doesn't give me one, I'm not going to take it. There was one sort of, but I didn't like it, and it came within like a tick of risk. So I was like, no, there was sort of one in the pre-market, but that doesn't follow the rules. Now I'm just hunting. Let's see. Every other country is raising and calling for worse. Well, yeah, dude, they're gonna. Let's see. That he never showed his monthly results? No, I do that all the time. I do that all the time. You just probably didn't see it. Because you guys don't pay attention. You guys aren't watching. You guys don't follow me on TikTok and Instagram and follow along with the things that I'm saying in the Discord. You just don't pay attention. What are we up now on the day? 2.82. Swings are flickering around. Oh. Hold on. Oh, Ralph. Yeah, I got to talk to the banking expert on this one. That's an interesting move. Not yet. Just got done trading. 6.7% overall and done. 11% on the port. Thanks, 1348. See you tomorrow. There you go, buddy. There you go. Let's see. What normal trader would post something on TikTok? Me. I like TikTok. Nobody's on there. That's not true. That's not true. So now you're just complaining about things. So you can shut up and learn, or you can leave. Simple as that. We don't have time to deal with your shit. Let's see. Yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. Okay, those are doing good. Okay. This is interesting. SPY's just getting slapped here, dude. Which they could be digesting core now. AMD slipping, Tessie coming down. KRE still holding. Let's see. Thanks for the heads up in KRE. Bought shares in your shares account. Nice. Nice. Wait, you're not normal though? No, I'm not normal. 8.5% on the port, calling it a day. There you go, bro. There you go. Yeah, so I mean, you did have that move. Was that 10? Yeah, that would have been 10 points. But it's not. That one was so 50-50 that I just didn't want it. You're coming back up to potentially retest that 1 minute 200. Yeah, I don't like it, man. That one could end up being real good. We'll see. We'll see. Spot. Are they gonna really do this right here? Like, seriously? Really, bro? Let's see. Let's see. And telling everyone to invest in it? Oh, that's what... Oh, now we know why Ben's upset. That's... Yeah. No. That's not what happened, actually. Act now. Oh, now we understand. Oh. Oh, let's see. Yeah, no. Oh, look at this. Yeah. Ben, I'm actually the one that told all you guys that it was a piece of shit after Ape came out. So, and I never told anybody to put any money in it. If you go back and look at my videos, it was most of the time me correcting all of the moronic shit that the people that you like to listen to was saying. Oh, now that makes sense. You can get put in timeout now, and when you want to go say something intelligent, then you can come back. That makes more sense. You're just a little bag holder that didn't listen to the people who know what they're talking about. Oh, guys, burner account. You think that's me talking shit to me? No, you can be put in timeout, and when you want to come back and actually be a productive member of the live chat and make money in the market, then you can. But if you want to sit here and complain to me about me telling you that it was a pile of garbage when everybody else was saying that it was the best thing since sliced bread, then you're just an idiot and you're just going to detract from the live chat anyway. Oh, go back and talk to the other people that are still talking about it, that are saying it's great. What are you talking to me for? I've been saying it's fucking a piece of shit forever. Ben, you are not invited to go golfing. No, Ben can't come golfing with us. Let's see. New low there. Let's see. Let's see. A pumper? It's never a pumper. Let's see. My port thanks you, STV. There you go, Marky Mark. There you go, buddy. STV is scamming us every day. Thanks for scamming us. You're welcome. 10% on that SPY 200 EMA retest. There you go. There you go. All right, let's see, guys. Keep smacking that like button on the way in, especially for Ben. Rest in peace, Ben. Rip. Let's see. Glad you sold your calls. Yeah. This is still looking good up here, though. But the amount of time that I have on this is ridiculous. Let's see. Yeah, this is sold off pretty hard. How's it look on the 3? You've still got downside to the 3-minute 200 here on the SPY. There goes the Tessie Shark. AMD Shark. AMD at a level. Thigh gapping. What about on the 5? Nope. GM and Samsung to bring 3 billion EV battery cell plant to Indiana. Interesting. Let's see. That's an interesting move. Okay. Come on. Oh, that's so dangerous. That is so dangerous. Oh, that is so dangerous. All right, let's see. There goes AMD a little. All right, let's see what we get here. We can't buy Samsung stock? Yeah. Well, there might be. Is there an ADR or no? These fuckers just cucked me. I was on a full cuckening. That was a close cuckening, though. Let's see. You're going to strangle at the end of the day? That's not the worst idea in the world going into Powell and PPI tomorrow. Just make sure the risk is all right. AMD, nice little move there. Back almost to the 13. That would be interesting to see. Oh, you're not going to give me that? Fuck you. Come on, really? They might give it to me. We'll see. Come on, really? The one trade that looked decent, you didn't give it to me. You fucking assholes. It missed it by a tick. By a tick. They still might give it to me. I don't know here. We'll see. It's got to really... We'll see. I'll leave it there for a minute. We'll see what it wants to do. Spy 5 minute telling the story so far. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, come on. Come on, really? If it goes blast off through here, I'll just cancel it and then not trade the morning, which would suck. But, you know, it is what it is, man. Let's see here. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in and make sure that you guys are hopping in for your first month free, man. I mean, you guys have all the tools in the world in front of you, and I'm giving you an absolute gift by giving you this platform for free for an entire month. There you guys go. Make sure that you guys are taking advantage of that before it is too late. Use code GAINZ, GAINZ. Let's see. Tickling VWAP. Spy loves the tickle. Let's go. What up, Ricardo? How you doing, buddy? I think we'll see it pop again. I think we definitely could. I think we definitely could. Fuck you, market. You're not giving it to me. Like, if it goes blast off, like, I could enter there. The risk there is terrifying, though. Like, absolutely terrifying. Hold on. Yeah, no. I'm not taking that. Yeah, it's definitely, James, it's definitely due for a pullback. 2 p.m. margin calls, Jesus. Yeah, if we blast through like 4406, I'm just going to cancel this entire trade and be done. Because it's just, I can't, like, I'm not going to get a fill on it. Unless it, like, did that and sharked and then came back up. But who knows? RSI on the 4 hour is 80 plus? Jesus, bro. KRE still looking good. I just want like a flash, tap, go type of deal, you know? They just don't want to give this to me. Using replay mode to go back and top tick a short BRB? Dude. Shut up. Ah. That makes me want to cancel this. Yeah. This thing starts shooting from here, I'm just going to cancel it. And then just be done. I just can't get, I'm just not getting fills. I'm not market ordering into these things. I need it off my key levels. Nope, sharked. You missed the data. How was it? CPI came in at 4 versus expectation of 4.1, so it was lower than expectations, which is good. See, that's what I needed, just like at a different spot. Come on. Nope. Not getting it. Not getting it. Yeah, teaser, that's fucking funny. That's funny, bro. You've got this level here that you could come down and bounce off of 435.09. Bro, they just don't want to give it to me. What is this level? Yeah, but that makes no sense. Like, none. That's too risky. You'd have to have like a, what? A fucking 03. You'd have to have like a fucking almost 10-point stop. That's not happening. No thanks. Thanks for the info. No problem. Just another Tuesday. Last 4 Tuesdays we sell then pump. That's what I'm thinking, but I don't know. I mean, I wouldn't say it just because it's a Tuesday. I mean, CPI. Dude, this is a clown world. Bed Bath & Beyond picks Overstock.com as stalking a horse bidder. This is a clown world. Fucking Bed Bath & Beyond and Overstock are teaming up. Yellen says the U.S. is examining options on Russia's sovereign assets. The ones that we just took? Fuck you, market. I'll give it like a couple more 1-minute candles here, but I don't think they're going to bring it back down to pick me up and bring it back up. Unless it flashes. Like death right back up. Like, unless you get one of these, which it doesn't look like it wants to. Dude, AMD is just in a hole right now. Oh my lord. KRE made a new high there. That's nice. What are these at now? Oh shit. There we go. Up 3.5% on the day. That's pretty good. Fed says FOMC meeting began at 10:30 a.m. as scheduled. Spy Shark. Are you serious? Come on. Do something. Do something. Right here. Cool. Okay. Yeah, I mean, that was the candle that I was looking for. That was the candle that I was expecting to happen. We just got to see what it wants to do from here. Does this thing want to hunt lows, or does this thing want to just little flash cool off and then come right back up? I mean, the 3-minute RSI is looking decent. Let's see, 435.50, 435.60 would be interesting if this thing got back above it. Flash the 1-minute 200. It's trying to hold it here. All right, let's see. Ready? Ready for this? Let's see what we got. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, you're so close. You're so close. Just a little more. Just a little more. Break 60. Break 60. Break 60. Come on, you're a tick away. Order filled. Order filled. Thank you. That's a first take profit there. Hunting for the second TP now. Really nice. So stop is a tick in profit. We're about, wow, this thing could scream to 10 points really quick. So very nice trade there. That was, and again, what did I tell you guys about what was about to happen? So this comes from understanding market context in price action and being able to stare at this all day long every single day. The knife candle comes. That's right around where my entry is, off the 200. Now we're going to see if we can hunt for our 10 points. That would be really amazing if it did. If it doesn't, I've still locked in a very, very profitable trade. First trade on futures this week. Very nice. Very nice. Order filled. Thank you very much. Give me my 10 points now. Which usually I'm a little bit more animated when we do this, and I'm like, oh, great. But, like, that's how I usually trade. Like, when I'm quiet, like, that's usually how I'm, like, I'm not always, like, cracked out when I'm trading. So, the second take profit on ES is at 441125. We're currently at 4408. So, a little bit of room to go here if this thing wants to come back up. I would love it if it did. And then nail this thing for 10 points, make a bunch of money, and then be done for the day. I mean, maybe I would... Actually, no, I can't really trade the afternoon. So, let's see what this wants to do. It's coming up. I'm about a couple points away. Oh, this is about to do it right here. Come on. Get up there. Give me my 10 points. Give me my 10. Come on. Come on. Uppy! Uppy! Hey. 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 That was like a tick away. Uppy! 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 Come on. Come on. Gimme. Well done, STV. Entered my spy call with the same theory. Good shit, bud. Let's see if we get our order filled. It's about to do it right here. It needs one tick. One tick.
Order filled.
Order filled. That's a great trade there. Great fucking trade. Great fucking trade. Do you guys see that? That one was a little bit more live than it usually is. I mean, there's still a delay, but we called that one to a T. Easy money, man. Easy money. So, futures account is up 8% on the day. 9%. It's up there. That's really good. Order filled. Thank you. Easy money. So, that's probably it for me on the futures account today. Easy money. Easy money. I wanted to get SPX on there too, but I had already scalped it this morning off of this. So I was like, yeah, I'd rather take it on the futures account. That was good. Everything's overbought when reality sets in. A lot of money to be made on pullbacks. James, here's the thing that you got to think about that not a lot of people do. There is a metric fuckload of money sitting on the sidelines right now that is just ready to be deployed. That was a top tick right there. So as of right now, that was a top tick. So the height of this candle, let me tell you what it is. Remember what I said? It was like 411125 or 411125, and the height of this candle was 4411.5 is the height. My take profit was 441125. That is currently a top tick. Great trade there. Scale out at 5. Move a stop to break even. Hunt for 10. That trade was never. It was red by like 2 ticks when it entered, and then it was all green. GME 17% on a traffic light. Good shit, bud. Yeah, great ES trade there. Great ES trade. Could this continue up? Yeah. Do I need it? No. User reports indicate problems at Discord from the down detector. So if you guys are having problems in Market Talk or in any of the other, what do you call it, on Discord, that's the issue. But yeah, simple as that, guys. Nice little trade there. Easy money. We've been hunting for that one all morning. So nice. Nice, man. Take that all day long. All day long. Order filled. That's my favorite sound. All right, so now it's not a top tick, but that's fine. You could have hunted this level. You could have hunted this level. You could hunt this level. Depends. I mean, if you're trading micros and you have a bunch of them, you could have a scale out here, which is basically where mine was. Scale out here, scale out here, scale out here. You do a lot of them. But that was a gem. That was a nice little gem there. So I think I have a meeting today at 2 as well, so I don't even think I can trade the afternoon session, but that's a great trade there. Great trade. Wow, the KREs are looking good. Where's KRE right now? I mean, it's chopping around, but this is a nice trade. Those have a slightly different thesis on them that I might explain to you guys in a video, but I do have to talk to the banking sector expert guy just to get a little bit of a deeper insight. Would you mind breaking down your trade just now? Yeah, so here's what it was. So essentially what we had was a rally off of the lows. Now, what I was looking for was a retest of the 200. Typically, when we see these types of moves, they shark and then come right back up. This isn't like, and again, there are certain levels that I'm looking for on the chart. Like you see this one right here, you see this right here. Like the entry basically was right under this 200 when the stop was like here. If we're looking at SPY. So this is essentially what it was. But basically you have this 1 minute traffic light coming in right here and it retests the 200 and bounces. I don't really want to buy this thing up here when it's went from 43463 to 43570. I'd rather take an entry a little bit lower. Now this is almost the midpoint of where this thing went. Like in terms of like a 50% retracement. That's not what I was entering off of, but it was kind of close. It was a little bit higher than a 50% retracement. Now, is that something that I do all the time? No, but in situations like this, when we sell off aggressively and then bounce, that was what I was looking for, the bounce off the level on the 200 EMA. There were a lot of things that were telling me that this thing's ready to go. Thigh gap, RSI above its moving average, MACD losing its momentum, and you get this shark candle. And that's where my entry was sitting. So when you guys heard me say, like, if it starts flying through here, then my thesis is wrong that it's going to do that retest, because if it started flying, let's say it was up here, it's probably not knifing to right here. So I was just going to cancel the order. When it kept showing that it was like resistance, 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 and then knifes, this is right around where my entry was sitting off of the 200. So it's still basically playing off of the 1 minute traffic light, but it's looking for the retest. Where is the retest most likely going to be? Somewhere around this 200 EMA. Now, if I was wrong, okay, cool. Well, my risk was, I couldn't comfortably put my risk below the low. So I believe, where was the entry? It was 4401, around there. So it was basically 4397 was the risk on that, on ES. We are in the same place without having to discuss them. Mine are long dated though. I bet we have the same expiration date, Ralph. I bet we have the same exact expiration date. So I've basically top and bottom ticked that move. If you look at ES, I mean, I was entering at the lows of the green candle after the big 1 minute red knife, and then basically sold the top. So great trade there. I mean, I do have another trade opportunity that I could take right here if I wanted to, but I'm not going to, just because I'm already so green. Raising some questions to me. Yeah, Leo, it's more, yes, I agree with you in terms of fundamentals, but the problem is how relevant are those fundamentals actually? Supply and demand is going to trump everything at the end of the day. If there's money that needs to go somewhere, it's all going to be relative. That helped a lot. Awesome, SL. Thank you. It's all relative. So what's going to happen is that some companies are going to have relatively better fundamentals than others, and that's what people are going to look at, not what are the actual fundamentals. Does that make sense? So really, really good trade there. I like that. That's a good one. That's a good one. So the options account's up 3%. I sent that to you guys in Market Talk, though. I mean, in Market Talk, I think I sent you the 3.4%. It's up 3.06 right now. Can we get a Diana order filled sound? That would be epic. I think I could change the voice, but yeah, nice and calm there. Yeah, great trade. Great trade to start off the day, man. Scalped SPX, but I couldn't get the full orders filled. It just like partial filled me, and then I was out like right here. So, hey man, I mean, starting the week off hot on ES. Didn't take any trades yesterday. That was my first trade of the week on futures. So 5-point scale out, throw a sob at break even, 10-point final take profit. And that's it. And that's it. Went back on replays again. I'm killing it today. Fuck you, D-Sir. Dude, that's almost as bad as saying, how can I take money out of my paper account? But, like, the order fill sounds from the broker. Like, I can't change it. You want front run, but away from more smoke. Yeah, I get that. Leo, I think, so here's the thing. I think we're definitely due through the end of the summer for a pullback to maybe 425. I think that's realistic, 420, 425. I think in order to get us back to 400, we would need to see a very significant catalyst. Like, what have we been saying since 390? Most of the data that's going to come out now, even if it's neutral, it's going to be taken as bullish because of where we are in the tightening cycle, and that's exactly what we've seen. So pay attention, guys. And again, you still have all that money sitting on the sidelines, even in like the private market, like venture capital firms, private equity firms. There is so much money out there that they have to deploy, but they aren't right now. There's just money sitting in like these money market account or CD. Like, it's crazy. They just can't do anything with the money yet. Feels good to get those. The 2 take profits are always good. Because when it hits the first one, it's good, but then, like, I can't really trade again if I wanted to. Now, if I wanted to take another trade in the afternoon and I saw an opportunity, I could. Will I? Probably not. I think I've been beating, so not gonna be doing that. Hey, masters are here. What up, Masterclass? How you guys doing? How did you guys enjoy Masterclass this morning? You guys have a good time. Oh, I'll turn the volume off now because you guys don't need to hear the order fill sounds. Yeah, but yeah, guys, remember, Masterclass, as you guys are filtering in, let the people know how it was. And remember, end of the month, your last chance to hop in Masterclass with us. So, I mean, it's the last chance, man. Prices are going up significantly. What up, Phoenix? How you doing, buddy? Back from Masters with 3% on the port. There you go. There you go. Yeah, I nailed. So for those of you guys in Masterclass coming back in, I drilled ES back up. That was a good one. Hit both take profits, which was nice. So now I'm just chilling. The options account. I mean, I sent that to you guys in Market Talk. Let me see what it's at now. 3.11% right now in the green. 14.83% on the port today with one still running with a stop way in profit. Fuck yeah, Phoenix. Masterclass for the win, dude. There you go. There you go. Back from Masterclass. Print. There you guys go. Yeah, how have you guys liked Masterclass so far? Let the people know who are still on the fence about it. I mean, again, I know it's like probably the best decision that you guys will ever make, but I mean, it's gonna, like, oh yeah, obviously, like, because I'm the one teaching some of the stuff. SCV back from Masterclass. Port is up 6.81%. There you go. Every sector is in the green for the SPY. Energy and basic materials leading the way. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, I still like this, even though it's fucking around. The contracts that I have so much time to expiration. Ralph, if you say, I'm not going to say what expiration date that I have because I don't want anybody tailing it. But what do you have? Because I think we have the same one. Not strike, but I think same expiration date. Best decision, skid mark. Appreciate you, buddy. Yeah, it is. I mean, Masterclass is where you come to take it to the next level. You guys actually want to really turbocharge what you're doing? Come to Masterclass. Invictus is killing it. Yeah, what's Invictus at today so far? Yesterday, it was up a shitload. What? What? Bro, Invictus is 9 for 9, 100% today? Oh my, dude, those of you guys that aren't in there, dude, we gave Invictus a facelift. Again, everybody gets their first month free. Everybody. Oh, you have January? Mine are further out than that. So, okay, that is what I will say. Mine are further out than January. Yeah, so use code GAINS, guys, GAINZ. Jesus, Invictus batting 100% today. Fuck yeah. Couple more plays open, though. You guys can see your 13 plays, so 4 more are active. So let's see what those things want to do. You want a different noise for 3-minute versus Invictus? We can. I mean, it's going to alert you on whatever screen you're on, I believe. All right, here comes SPY back up. Damn, bro. We just keep killing it. I'm going to take a screenshot of that. That's epic. That is epic, bro. That is epic. You like to bounce my thoughts off you? That's fine. With the commercial real estate crash on the horizon, I disagree. I disagree. Why do you think commercial real estate's going to crash? That's a big assumption. Are you talking about because work from home? Are you talking about rates? Because that's very different. And then there's going to be different sectors within commercial real estate. Retail, office, like there's a lot of different things going on within commercial. So you can follow my trade? Well, that's exactly why I'm not telling you, Wayne, so you can't follow my trades. You have plans to roll when you're up 15%? Yeah, I'm probably going to try and make them free. That's what I'm going to do, Ralph. My goal with it is to make it free. So, Wayne, no. I'm not letting any of you guys follow my trades. That's not what it's about. It's about education and making sure that you guys have the best tools ever. If you want to go follow trade and get led to the slaughter by morons, go for it. Because record high vacancies. Okay, that's fair. That is fair. In office, yes, I agree. I think office spaces can come down. But what you have to be careful of is expecting that it's going to tank, because I personally think that you'll see a correction, but I don't think it's going to tank. When rates start to come back down, it's going to be an interesting game. What's my port at today so far? It was 3.4. What's that now? 3.13. The futures account is up. I'll just do the math on it. Hold on. I'll do the math on it. I'll tell you what it's up. Futures account is up 9.3% today. They don't do it in percentages. It's just dollar amounts. So futures account is up 9.3. Options account is up like 3.1. It's pretty good. SPY 420 seems far away. It is far away. And then Leo, you could go after the ETFs and the REITs. Like REITs might have problems. Like if it's a commercial REIT. Can you do that? Can you have a commercial REIT? Yeah, you can. A lot of them are commercial. KRE is the indicator you would want to watch for commercial real estate and shit. Really? Record high vacancies. Yeah, that's fair. I mean, that's a perfectly fair thing, and I agree with you on that element that yes, vacancies due to work from home and things like that are not going to help commercial real estate, but I think there's going to be. I think if it was going to crash, it would have crashed by now. Even though it takes a lot of what do you call it? Even though it takes a while for real estate to kick in. I mean, we've been raising rates for a while, and you really haven't seen it. For Aston Martins? No. Did I ever do the futures video? I'm probably recording it tonight. It is a Masterclass video, so those of you guys that are in Masterclass, you already have the futures video. I'm just going to basically remake some of it and go a little bit more in depth and have it more concise, because it's like a 40-minute stream for you Masterclass people. Majority, yeah, okay, so the majority of real estate's financed through commercial bank. Yeah, that would suck then for KRE. When you are chatting daily gaps, do you go by the wicks? I don't. Charting daily, I don't care about daily gaps. I'm aware of them, but I blame being worried about the gap on Tesla at 144 for me not making over like hundreds of thousands of dollars on the Tesla call position that I had. So I now literally don't give a flying fuck about gaps even more than I did before. Because I just got in my own head and just sold the position and like either a slight profit or a slight loss on Tesla. Because there was that 144 gap. And I was like, that would suck. And then it rips to 250 when I was buying it in the 150s. So don't care about gaps. Tuxedo, it's on platform. You just go on platform, and then in master replays, you just click. There's a futures video. It's titled futures video. But yeah, again, guys, end of the month, last chance to upgrade to master before the prices significantly increase. If you miss it, you miss it. It's never going to be as cheap as it is right now, and it is an absolute steal at this price for what you guys are getting. What the fuck? All right, let's see. Dude, it's almost time for me to eat 6 eggs. Yeah, now the market's just... What do you, a studio in your area is $2,000. Must be nice. My one bed is fucking expensive, bro. I need to move to Florida. KRE coming down a little, but it's whatever. It doesn't matter. Fuck, yeah, that was a good one on AMD there. Little thigh gap there. US 2-year. It's just consult. What's the, what do you call it? You tried taking your bear suit off, but it stuck. You can't do that, Leo. Like, one of the things that you have to learn about the market is how to be very nimble and switch when things change, which is obviously what happened with all. Like, it's a great example with the AMC and ape people. When Gabe was screaming from the rooftops, when I was screaming from the rooftops, they just couldn't see it because they were so blinded in listening to that confirmation bias. Don't let that happen to you with broad market moves, because there's more opportunity to be made when the broad market moves happen. What have we been saying since like 390? Again, I bring that up a lot. It's like all the data that's going to come out since we were at 390 and 395, those Fed meetings, is going to be taken. If it's neutral, it's going to be taken as pretty bullish. If it's positive, we're going to rip, which is exactly what happened. Move into Gabe's basement? I don't think he has a basement. I don't think they have basements in Florida. I don't know, though. What's the rent in my area? I'm not going to tell you what it is, but it's really high. Like, really high. And it went up. And I didn't get a month free this time. And I also accidentally signed a 15-month lease. So I might have to try and go fix that. I also got to pay fucking taxes this week. That hurts. I hate doing that. Found the futures video? Sweet. There you go. You're with you. The charts are the charts, though. Yeah, there's just other factors, and this is not like a normal environment. Like it's currently it's not out of the question that if Powell comes out a little dovish tomorrow and says no rate hike, we're gonna continue looking at the data. There's still issues, but we're getting better. We will end up at 440 at least. If not, I mean, we could go back to 330 or 430, and then we're just bouncing around at that level again, the big daily level. Yeah, that's what I thought, James. Indoor swimming pool? Jesus. Let's go golfing time. Life is good. Yeah, man. Yeah. Drilling. Dude, you just lean to bear. So, Leo, if you're going to lean that way, you got to be really careful and super disciplined. So, I'll tell you. So, the apartment that I was looking at in Miami was really expensive, but it was on the 52nd floor. Okay, so fun fact, for those of you guys that know the Fresh and Fit podcast, the building was the same building that show is filmed in. So, like, my dad went to go look at at the apartment before I could go, because he was just down there. And he sends me a picture of a Lambo, and I'm like, I fucking know that car. Why are you... I know that car. You'd say my rent is around 5? It's not 5. It's less than 5. So that apartment was nice, but it had like floor to ceiling, sliding doors, balcony, ocean view. You know what I get here? Fucking nothing. I don't get shit. I get to look at airplanes. And what else? I don't have a pool. The buildings around me have a pool. My gym is kind of shitty. The door lady's kind of mean. She's fine, though. She's kind of cool. She's like a sweet old lady that's just, like, kind of, like, aggravated. Why are we talking about my rent, dude? Like, it's not... It's just rent, bro. I'll make that in, like, a trade or two. Like, it's fine. Like... Scalped SPX for 4.2% on the port. Thank you, 1348 Masterclass. There you go. She was paying $6,200. That's a 3-bet, I think. 36. No, I've never said it. Dude, I could rent like a fucking mansion for my rent. All right, here comes Spy coming back down. Welcome to Boston. Why rent? Buy a house and build equity. Because I don't want to have to deal with all the shit that comes with buying a house. And I probably, like, with the way that I work, they're not going to give me a decent loan. They're just going to fuck me. So I need, like, a couple more years to, like, build credit and then just, like, almost just be like, all right, well, I'll put, like, 40% down and then... So, like, at the end of next year, I might buy a house in, like, Florida or something. You got the cannon shots, though, and the jet flybys? The private jets are not here. That's in Florida. The private jets and the giant fuck you boats that I've shown you guys are in Florida when I go down there. Buy a 7-Eleven instead of a house. I was gonna start scooping up some Section 8s. That was what I was gonna do. Buy a duplex, rent the other half. Yeah, see, here's the thing. I would just buy the duplex, rent both of them. Like, why? Why do the FHA loan and then have to refinance and all that stuff and live, like, in not the area that I want to? I mean, if it was, like, a townhouse in Miami, like, I would do that, or like, Palm Beach or something. But that's going to be so expensive that it's, like, why bother? Maybe, though. We'll see. When the time comes, I'll look and do the math and kind of see what I need to do. But for right now, I like this apartment. All right, team. It is 11 a.m. That is going to wrap it up for us. Another very, very successful day in the market. So, team, again, remember, everybody gets their first month free to trade1348.com. Make sure that you guys are hopping in over there, and time is running out for you guys to upgrade to Masterclass before that significant price increase at the end of the month. So make sure that you guys are on that before it happens. You're not going to want to miss the stuff that we're bringing out. I mean, you guys have seen all the success of the people in Masters so far. Make sure that you guys are on that. And make sure you guys are following me on TikTok and Instagram. I got a lot of awesome short-form content coming out for you guys later. We've been cranking out videos over there. It's been super fun. We're growing pretty fast, so make sure that you guys are part of that. But, team, other than that, hit that like on the way out. I will be done for the day with you guys. We got some other shit we got to do. Peace!